Hi everyone, this is Divya here. I'm the nutritionist and today we're going to talk about diet tips on summer. So first we're going to see what can be generalized be taken into our diet, which can be avoided, which should be taken, and so that we can balance this summer and still enjoy this season. So first I would like to say that everybody say that water is the main ingredient. Yes, water is the key ingredient to cool down this summer, but what it actually does, it will hydrate your whole metabolism. I mean all the mechanisms which is happening inside our body will produce heat, and this summer already, which is already peaking in heat, we have to balance the both. To detoxify your system, you need water to be taken adequately into your diet. Apart from fluids, you cannot just sip on the plain fluid, so you need something else to balance on the summer. For example, buttermilks to go on for, or like soups or fruit juices. Why we say fruit juices and fruits and vegetables to be included in the diet? Because it has more of fluid content and it will not acidite your system. It will not make your system acidic, and it will balance the whole system. So therefore, eating simple foods and less spicy, less oily, less fatty foods will cleanse your system and make you cool enough throughout the day. You can take the diet which is more simple and not much complicated, not too high on fat and too spices, because the simpler the food is, the more nutritious it is. The digestion does not include too much of digestive enzymes to digest the food, so it will not be, our system will be simple enough to digest and assimilate the nutritions from that. The absorption will be quite easier. But if it is like too much complicated or too greasy, too spicy foods, that system will produce more toxins and it will get accumulated inside the body. So whenever you are taking up a food, make sure you are taking herbs like mints or corianders into the diet, or more of buttermilk, or the fruits which are totally in season like watermelons and the tender coconut water, which will act as a coolant effect throughout your day. The foods to be avoided in the summer, to be very specific, is like high spicy foods, high fatty foods, or too much processed or commercial foods which is available in the market and everywhere around the city, because you need the systems and the digestive enzyme has to work too much harder to digest it, and ultimately what it produces is the empty calories and less in nutrition. In terms, to be more specific, you will not have much of vitamins in it, the fluid content will be very less, more of preservatives and all to these stuffs. So you're forcing your internal organs like liver and the digestive enzymes and the intestines, it gets more complicated for them to assimilate all this nutrition, which can be avoided in the summer, because you will end up having more food and the stress factor will be much higher throughout the day. So these kind of foods can be avoided.